First came the redesigned Volvo XC90, then the XC60 came, and now Volvo seems to have struck another home run with this quirky looking XC40. And quirky looking is a good thing, because I just hate when manufacturers copy-paste their most successful design and then they all look the same. It's like... Prices start at just under $40,000 in Canada, making it the most powerful crossover at that price point. It comes with a turbocharged 4-cylinder 2.0-liter engine, which makes 248 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, and made it to a really good 8-speed automatic transmission. It achieves really good performance figures. 0 to 100 kilometers an hour comes in 7.5, and that gives you a pretty clear picture of what this baby can do. In general, it pulls really well. It responds quickly without too much poking, and at the same time, it averages about 10 liters per 100 kilometers. That's witchcraft! And the performance goes hand in hand with practicality levels. For example, they placed the woofers under the windshield and channeled it through this little tube into the cabin. So that leaves the door free to have a massive pocket. And there are pockets all over the place, even under the seat. And gentlemen, look at this. It has the solution we've all been waiting for our messy wives. It has a garbage bin. And it's removable. Once it gets full of garbage, you just take it out and toss it away. Hallelujah. Also, look at this. The tonneau cover fits right under the cargo floor. Hallelujah again. And it also has a roomy trunk. 460 liters are all yours to shove your stuff inside. And look at this clever floor. It even acts as a divider, and it comes with hooks. That's crazy. It almost feels as if Volvo sent a spy to spend a week with a family in their car, and he was taking notes. And then he went back to the headquarters and said, "This is everything we can do to make the life of a family easier." And they implemented every single thing. And you know what? They packed all those features in a crossover that's also really nice to drive. The suspension is tuned to a very nice median between comfort and handling. And on the go, it's also very quiet and refined. It really does feel upmarket. The car is really good and the tech is sweet. And also don't forget safety. This is a Volvo, and it is once again as safe as it gets. But it's not all peachy though. Here are a few problems that I noticed. The start-stop system needs some work. It kicks in too aggressively and makes starting and stopping very jerky. The drive is a little bit dull, but then again in this segment, that might be an advantage. The rear windows are small, and that design streak makes the rear seats a bit claustrophobic and dark, and kids don't like it. Despite these small problems, the XC40 is a wonderful little crossover, and with standard all-wheel drive and some color schemes that are really cute, it will be for sure a smashing hit. For me, this R-Design model is the way to go. So overall score, 9 out of 10.